gonna make some chicken wings here. Got the chicken wings from local butcher, Devon Avenue Meats in Park Ridge. First step we're gonna do is put a little grapeseed oil on them. Give it a little bit of a binder, something to stick to for the rub. And the rub that I'm using is a Rudy's rub. I get it from Texas. It just goes really, really good on wings, I think. For chicken wings, I like to use pecan wood. Find pecan does a really nice job with chicken. I'm gonna smoke these about 375 to 400. Should be done in about 45 minutes. All right, 45 minutes later, the wings are done, nice and crispy. I use the sweet bourbon glaze from Galena Canning Company in Galena, Illinois. It's got a nice sweet molasses flavor. It goes really well with a peppery rub too. So wings are ready, we're ready to eat.